Welcome to Animals Kids channel. Hello kids! Waving hand welcome to our colorful farm world. Deciduous tree chicken horse face. Look around. Can you see the tall green trees? Evergreen tree. Beautiful plants are growing everywhere. Blossom herb. This place is full of fun and learning. Let's go! Cow are gentle farm animal. They say moo and eat grass. Baby cow are called calf. Cow give us milk to drink. They have 4 legs and a long tail. Cow live in barns. They chew food slowly and rest in the shade. Horse are gentle animal. They say neigh and run very fast. Baby horse are called foal. They eat grass and hay. Horse sleep while standing. They live in barns. Horse have long tails and shiny manes. They wear horseshoes on their feet. Chick are baby chicken. They are small, yellow, and fluffy. Chicks say cheep cheep and love to stay warm. Rooster are male chicken. They say cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning. Rooster have bright feather and a red comb. They protect hens and walk proudly around the farm. Chicken are farm bird. They say cluck and lay egg. Baby chicken are called chick. Chicken eat grains and worms. They have feathers, wings, and a red comb on their head. Turkeys are big birds. They say gobble gobble. They have feathers and a red wattle. Turkeys walk and flap wings. They live on farms or in woods. Sheep are soft animal with fluffy wool. They say baa and live on farm. Baby sheep are called lamb. Sheep eat grass and love to stay in groups. Farmers use their wool to make clothes. Sheep are calm and friendly animal. Pig are cute farm animal. They say oink and love to roll in mud. Baby pig are called piglet. Pig eat fruits, veggies, and grains. They have short legs, curly tails, and big ears. Rabbits have long ears. They hop and run fast. They eat carrots and grass. Baby rabbits are called kits. Rabbits live in burrows. Goat are playful farm animal. They say ma and eat grass and leaves. Baby goat are called kids. Goat can climb and jump. They have short tails and 2 horns. Donkey are strong farm animal. They say hee-haw and carry heavy loads. Baby donkey are called foal. Donkey eat grass and hay. They have long ears and short tails. Donkey walk slowly and live in barns or fields with other animals. Ducks swim in ponds. They say quack, quack. Ducks have yellow beaks. They waddle and love water. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Dog are friendly pet. They say woof and wag their tail. Dog love to play, run, and guard the home. Cat are soft pet. They say meow and like milk. Cat have sharp eyes, long tails, and love to nap. And here is the hen. She lays eggs. We keep her coop clean and safe. I'm Farm Uncle. Every day, we feed the animals and take good care of them.